Hello mga kabahay, another day, another house. At ito ay ang ating isa sa mga townhouses dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Dito sa particular na location na to, we still have few units left. So for this one, this is just in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Napakalapit nito sa magiging future MRT station. So, sa specific na subdivision na to, our townhouse has 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath dito sa mid house natin na townhouse. Doon sa bago nating subdivision with the same amenities actually, we have swimming pool, basketball court, a kids park, and playground. Doon sa bagong subdivision, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom sa mid natin. But both has a car park. So, sa ngayon, we still have few units dito sa isang subdivision natin. Both are actually in San Jose del Monte. Yung bagong subdivision natin is just opposite of the new City Hall ng San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Ito namang existing natin, pre-selling pa yon. Yung existing natin is na nasa dating City Hall, sa likod ng dating City Hall ng San Jose del Monte. So if you want to know more about this mga kabahay, I'm going to include the information here of my number. You can call me or text me or WhatsApp, Viber, and Telegram. Thank you so much mga kabahay. Until next bahay. Bye.